What's the meaning of bead? Bead. Bead.
Bead. Bead. Bead can refer to a small, often spherical object with a hole through the center, commonly used in jewelry making or as decorative elements. Beads can be made from a variety of materials such as glass, plastic, wood, or metal, and can have various colors, shapes, and sizes. In addition to its use in jewelry making, beads have cultural and religious significance in some societies, such as prayer beads used in Buddhism, Hinduism, and Islam. Beading is also a popular craft activity for children and adults alike, allowing for creativity and self-expression. Overall, beads have a rich history and continue to play an important role in various aspects of human life.